Mom, did you hear that we might be out of power for 3 days?
What do we do?
We need to prepare like an emergency kit or something.
Okay.
I can show you. Something to hold everything in. Toilet paper. Bottled water. Candles and a lighter. Emergency plan and documents. Water for cooking and pets. Backup cash. A can opener for
Non-perishable food items.
cards and some games. A first aid kit. Crankable flashlight, radio, and phone charger. Hey Mom, we should fill the bathtub full of clean water. See Mom, it's that easy.